Traditional rulers, state and federal government officials at a public hearing on a bill before the House Committee on Niger Delta Affairs. The bill is titled the Presidential Program on Rehabilitation and Reintegration, and it will be for the implementation of the Presidential Amnesty Program in the Niger Delta. The chairman of the House Committee and the deputy minority leader speak on what the bill hopes to achieve.
At the time the amnesty was implemented, there was no legal framework in place to guide the implementation of this program. This subjected the program to various abuses. There was no exit date, and such expensive program could not be carried on endlessly.
1, to provide a legal and institutional framework for the implementation and management of the Presidential Amnesty Program. 2, to consolidate the different phases of the program from inception. 3, to ensure an orderly completion of the mandate of the program with a proper exit date.
Those present at the event made use of the occasion to identify different aspects of the bill they want amended.
The tenure of the coordinator of the program should not be longer than the lifespan of the program being coordinated. A 6-year 3+3 term may also be optimistic.
What at the moment is solely run by the federal government, this needs to change. The state governments in the region need to be engaged as partners with the federal government.
This is applicable in the US, in Britain, in China, even in Nigeria, what we started. Even in South Africa we are talking about. Counter-insurgency programs are directly under the president because it is very important.
The committee says it will consider all the positions presented as it works towards contributing to the peace process and the development of the Niger Delta region. Lanre Lasese, Channels Television News.